What's going on, guys? It's Rich Media, man. You know what it is. Boy Jake right there, you know, in the fire ass merch. Got his car right here, got this part out, 05 TSX. So if you guys want any parts or anything, we still got quite a bit of things except the motor. Yeah, if you guys want any parts, 05 Auto has the tan interior, has like 230K miles. But yeah, let me know. Cheap parts.
Facts.
Let me know. I got all these stuff here. So we're about to do my clutch bracket. Fairly easy job. It's like 3 12mm bolts, 2 sensors, and a pin that holds it. So we shall see. Just kind of in a retarded spot. Breaking your back under there. I just realized this guy got his fucking bumper on. Yeah. What's that? Fire. Alright guys, so as you can tell, this is the one we're changing. Well, let's see. You could, right here on this side, look on this side guys, it's like flexes. So yeah, so when you go in, it's going to be 1, and there's, where is it? 1, 2, then at the top there's a third bolt, 12 mils. You take off 1 and 2 sensors, the yellow and the black and gray one. And there's this pin back here somewhere that you have to take off, and this nut, oh yeah, the pin's back right here. Then the nut you take off right there, 3 bolts, 2 sensors, yeah. So starting off by taking out the sensors. I need to take the sensor out of this anyway, so it may help me. I'll just back this thing out. So just took that out.
What is this?
That's one of the sensors. That's the one that's connected to the gray plug. And I'm taking out the yellow one right now because it's hard to get my fat fingers to be able to pull it out as well. Adjustable. Loose. I don't know if you necessarily have to take these out, but I'm taking it out because it's easier to get to the bolts. There's that bolt back there, up there, yep. Then there's this one back there. There's one to the left of it. So yes sir, 2 12 mils or 3 12 mils. So it's flexing from this side, pushing this way when I push it down. So there's definitely a crack somewhere, and we're gonna see just about where once I take this damn thing off. So guys, I got my ratchet, put extension in the long 12 mil. Get in this way, pull towards you, and it cracks it. So I got the top 12 mil out. I'm gonna see which is the best way or the most comfortable way of getting out the other bolts, so I can tell you guys and be easier for you as well. Let's get back under there. You do the same thing, extension right here, and start it up like so. So yep, second one cracked. This is the bottom right one, and just have some extensions, the long 12, and be at this angle and you can crack it, and it's all about just getting it out after. Top one's gonna be a bolt. These bottom 2 are gonna be nuts. 1 nut, and you got a hot 2 nut.
1 nut.
So yeah, I cracked it. What I used is a smaller ratchet with extension and a longer 12, and I just had enough room to squeeze in between on the left side of this bracket and all these wires and fuses and shit. Easiest way to do it. I'm on the last bolt. Sometimes you got, you know, with this shit you gotta upside down and all that. It's not the most fun job. It's easy, but all these positions you have to do, you're gonna break your back and arms. Got that nut out. I think all that's left is that pin. Alright guys, so this is how the pin looks. Literally you just get some needle nose pliers and just ink down on it and it comes out. This should just be coming out now. Oh, you have to slide that actually out. Alright guys, so what I found most difficult in this was sliding this pin out. So this is like the cotter pin and you have to slide this bad boy out. And yeah, that was a little bit of a pain. To get that out, honestly, you just have to wiggle it and spin it and it just comes out. It's kind of hard because like how like wide and round this is, like, it's like hits the shield, so you just have to kind of like move it around and wiggle it out really. So let's see if this just pops out. Voila! So guys, this is how it looks when it's out. Literally, I'm not really seeing any cracks in it. Not seeing any cracks really, you know, anywhere. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna put in the new one, just tighten everything up, make sure it's good, and see if it like flexes how it was before.
Hi, guys.
Hi. She's car helper too. Whoa! So guys, after like 20 minutes of struggling and being in a weird ass position, my shoulders are killing me. Finally got it fitted up. I don't know which way would be better for you guys, because either way it's a fucking awkward ass positions. But I fit it in and I got the top bolt in because the other two are nuts which connect to the master cylinder, and that shit moves around, so you're trying to put it in and it doesn't work out because you just keep pushing it out. So I figured that would be the best way to get the top bolt in, to have it fitted. If it's there, then you'd be able to pull the master cylinder and put that pin in and have it all together and hold, and just reverse it all, because yeah, this shit just kept moving around and finally got it in, guys. What's up, guys? As you can tell, shit's pissing me off. Yeah, it's a little frustrating getting it back in and just trying to get it fitted, and just my fat ass hands and fingers and the positions is just hard as f. But it's simple, but it's just finding the positions of doing it. You can see I took this shit apart because I dropped one of the f***ing nuts in there and it went literally the farthest it can go, all the way back here in this crevice. There's no other way I would have f***ing got it unless I took off the plastic. You see what I go through, guys? It literally, I probably would have been done by now, but shit like that happens literally every single job I do. No matter what it is, it could be the dumbest shit, like something snaps, something gets lost and falls somewhere, and the dumbest, like literally looking for 30 minutes, an hour type of thing. I got, you know, 2 nuts and 1 bolt in. I'm gonna try to get this sliding pin in. Hopefully it goes in with ease because I'm tired of this shit already. Okay. Alright, got the bracket in, got all the bolts in, and most importantly, got back here, it's kind of hard to see, but right there, we got the sliding pin in, and the pin on that side. And yeah, guys, I'm just gonna make sure 3 bolts are tight, then put the sensors back in, and yeah, basically done with that. Yeah, I got the clutch pedal in, it's in, whatever, but I'm about to start it up in a second and then see if it goes into gears or if it goes in smoothly or what's the case. If not, I'm gonna bleed the clutch probably, adjust it some more, and if it's not that, and I think it's maybe the master cylinder, which I have already, but I'm gonna have to pick a day to do that little extensive job. Nonetheless, I'll get back to you guys once I start it up and we'll see how it goes into gears. Alright guys, as you can tell, it's back in. So I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna need to bleed the clutch. Supposedly I don't have to, but I may have to just because of how I was feeling. And maybe some air got in the lines or something. Something happened to some things. There's always something with my car. I'm always doing something. So let's see if this damn thing starts now. It starts now. feeling like it's going in gear smooth. I'm actually about to go around the block. Alright guys, really positive so far. It's going good. Like, it's literally, it feels like a brand new car, like the pedal feel and everything, and just it going into gears in general. Feeling like it's there. Like, look how easy it is for me going to gears. It lets off. Before I was letting off I didn't even have to let off the clutch. I let off my brake and it would like just start going. It would just start going itself. Like, it wasn't fully engaged or anything. Now it's like, it's going into gears so smoothly, guys, bro. Like, finally. But I still have a master cylinder to put in, and that takes away the delay valve as well. I don't necessarily exactly know what it does, but I know it's gonna help with like the throttle response and just like pedal to the metal type of thing, like just response. But dude, it's smooth as fuck. It just going into gears, like I just put in brand new clutch, like did everything new. So guys, from all my videos, I've been chasing a lot of problems, just shifting problems and just like shaking and things going wrong in general. My whole shaking issue was my intermediate shaft and putting in OEM axles, which helped a ton. Now my shifting issues and it blocking out of gears was the clutch bracket. Like, visually, I did not see any cracks. From other people's things, right where the bolts are, that shit is split. And you could visibly see the cracks. But with mine, I didn't see a goddamn thing. Maybe it was like inside where the spring is, maybe in the core a bit, and it's like weakened up in there, so I was like flexing it out. Instantly feel a 100% difference, and it's going into gears like never before. It's been a while since I felt it like this way. Yeah guys, it's going into gears, it's moving and grooving. I got a couple more things to do with the car. I want to do a little control arm because it's shaking. I got my Honda tunes coming soon. Like, big things, guys. Like, I'm doing so much work to the car and spending so much money. Just hit that subscribe button and just let me know what you guys think, what you want to see next, and you know, so on and so forth. Not too bad of a job, just a little annoying, and it feels great. Great, dude. Feels like brand new. Like, never felt this pedal like this. It's going in the gears like dumb smooth. I might do that now. Alright guys, today we just did that clutch pedal assembly and the car is shifting great, going in the gears good. And this guy did a battery relocation. Get into it, man.
There's a lot of space right here. I'll be able to turn my intake around, get some fresh airs in there.
Yeah, that shit looks good, man. And this is how it came out. It's looking clean. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. The clutch bracket definitely helped a lot, but I feel like I still need to do some things, like maybe shifter bushing or something like that. Second gear seemed like it popped out a little bit when I like let on and off the gas. So synchros, who knows? Shifter bushing, who knows? But it still feels better. I can shift into gears and I can drive the thing. But I really need to get the rear stuff done and a little control arm and get to it. So more videos, more uploads, more everything, more content, more growth, more subscribers, more peace, more ambition, more motivation, everything, all that good shit. Appreciate you guys, love you guys, peace out.